IELTS speaking part 1, topic rain. Question number 1 is, do you like rain? Why not? Well, to be honest, I'm not a fan of rain or rainy weather at all. I dislike being wet. Neither do I like to wear the raincoat. Question number 2 is, do you think that rain affects people's mood? Yes, definitely. I think rainy days and gray skies can be a bit sad and depressing. You know, where I live, people are much more cheerful when the sun comes out. Question number 3 is, does it often rain where you live? Yes, it is. We have rain almost every week. You know, Vietnam is a tropical country, which means that we have huge amount of rainfall and humidity all year round. Question number 4 is, have you ever been caught in the rain without umbrella? Well, actually, I'm not very careful person, so I've gone now so many times without an umbrella or a raincoat. So, and then got caught in the rain. It's never a comfortable feeling being soaked. So that's all about my sharing about topic rain. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.